Happy Easter, kids! This is a bunny. These are chicks. This is a basket full of eggs. Let's make a chocolate Easter egg. For the mold, you need a plastic bottle, scissors, cut out, take a little piece of plastic, cut out. Repeat the same on the other side. Easter egg mold. 200 grams of chocolate, 200 grams of chocolate, melt the chocolate in a bain-marie. Pour the chocolate into the mold. Rotate. Refrigerate for half an hour. Repeat the same on the other side. Refrigerate for half an hour. Glue. Oh, the surprise! Remove it from the mold. Gently push the edges together. Wipe away any excess. Leave the egg to set in the fridge. Oh, this is our Easter chocolate egg! Happy Easter! Your teacher, Valentina. Goodbye!